Hello, and welcome to another English lesson. I'm Finn, and today we're going to learn about homophones, words that sound exactly the same but have different spellings and different meanings. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to use these common words correctly and avoid some of the most common English mistakes. Let's get started. Have you ever heard two English words that sound exactly the same but mean completely different things? These words are called homophones. Homophones sound the same, but they have different spellings and different meanings. Let's learn 10 of the most common homophones you'll hear every day. Our first words are to, and to. To is used when talking about going somewhere or doing something. I'm going to school. To means also. I like pizza too. It can also mean more than necessary. This bag is too heavy. To is simply the number 2. I have 2 brothers. Now let's try one. I have sisters. Is it two, or two? The correct answer is two. Next are there, and there. There tells us where something is. The cat is over there. There shows ownership. Their house is beautiful. There is the short form of they are. They are watching TV. Here's another question. Going to the park. The correct answer is there. Now let's look at see and see. See means to use your eyes. I can see the moon. Sea is a large body of salt water. We swam in the sea. Which one is correct? I can a rainbow. The answer is C. Next are right and right. Right means correct. Your answer is right. It can also mean the opposite of left. Turn right. Right means to put words on paper or on a computer. Please write your name. Now you try. Please your address. The answer is right. Next we have buy, and buy. Buy means to purchase something. I want to buy a new phone. By means next to or near. The keys are by the door. Bye is how we say goodbye. Bye. See you tomorrow. Can you choose the correct word? I want some milk. The answer is bye. Our next pair is 1 and 1. 1 is the number. I have 1 dog. 1 is the past tense of win. Our team won the match. Here's another challenge. She. First prize. The correct answer is 1. Now let's learn flower and flower. Our flower is a beautiful plant. She picked a red flower. Flour is used for baking. We need flour to make bread. Which word is correct? We need to bake a cake. The answer is flour. Next are week and week. Our week has 7 days. I'll see you next week. Weak means not strong. After being sick, I felt weak. Now choose the correct word. I'll visit you next. The answer is week. Our next pair is sun and sun. Their sun shines in the sky. The sun is very bright today. Our son is a male child. They have 1 son. Which word fits? The is shining. The answer is sun. Finally, let's look at night and night. Night is the time after the sun goes down. Good night. Our knight was a soldier in armor many years ago. The knight rode a horse. Let's finish with a quick quiz. I can you? The answer is C. Turn at the traffic lights. The answer is right. She has brothers. The answer is 2. We need to bake bread. The answer is flour. Our team the game. The answer is 1. Excellent work! Today you learned that homophones are words that sound the same but have different spellings and different meanings. The more you read, listen, and practice, the easier it becomes to choose the correct word. Can you think of another pair of homophones? Write your answer in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy English lessons.